Hi there, thank you for visiting lusconmotors.co.uk for the walk around video of our Suzuki Swift 1.2 Attitude that's just arrived with us in part exchange. Great looking car. The Attitude kit really does set it apart, makes the car really stand out with that front splitter, the side skirts, the rear trim and the rear upper spoiler. So this car, it's a one owner car from new. The car was purchased here when it was brand new and has also been serviced with ourselves, so it's exactly the type of used car that we love our customers to buy, that one owner from new, you know, with Suzuki service history as well. The car is due its second year service, which will be completed before the new keeper takes ownership. So it's got that really smart red and black look about it, those nice polished two-tone alloys as well, which look really smart. Really is a great looking car, very sporty indeed. But the Swift, its reputation's built on its reliability, its toughness as well. So as well as looking great, it's also great front to drive, and obviously it's got high levels of customer satisfaction. We'll just have a look at the interior space now, starting with the boot. So on this latest generation Swift, the boot space has increased compared to its predecessor. It's much deeper now, and it's got better width to it. You've also got the split folding rear seat, and as you can see, your parcel shelf and 3 rear head restraints are all present in the car. Rear view camera also does feature, because the car does have that multimedia screen, which we'll look at in just a moment, but we'll take a look in the interior just to have a look at that rear seat. It's one of those, it looks like it's barely been sat in, to be honest with you. So let's just start the car, and so you may be able to see from the display there, the current mileage stands at 18,537. There you've got your multimedia touchscreen, so if I put the car in reverse now, and then you've got your rear view camera, so obviously you've got the lines, the purple lines that represent the width of the car, and then you've got your safety lines, which are your yellow and your red lines as you get closer to an object behind you. Take it out of reverse, back to your main touchscreen, so it's just all, you know, touch audio. You've got a great choice of DAB radio stations. You can scroll up and down, you know, select whichever back there, and then use the home button just back to the home screen as well. Other little features include automatic lights. You've got your Bluetooth connectivity, which you can use remotely on the steering wheel, and it's also got a trip computer as well. Whilst you're on the website, also don't forget to take a look at our technician's video appraisal. So that will give you a look at the car from underneath, so it'll focus on items such as the tyres, the steering, the brakes and the suspension, so you'll have the total peace of mind that you know that the car's been fully checked by our trained technicians as well. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you.